So, what if your AI assistant wasn't just an assistant anymore? What if it got a promotion? Like a huge promotion. Today, we're talking about maybe the biggest promotion in the entire tech world as AI makes the massive leap from being a simple helper to a proactive doer.
All right, let's really get into this. For years, we've thought of AI as a tool that we have to direct, step by step. We give it small, specific tasks. But there's a fundamental shift happening right now where we're starting to delegate entire goals. And believe me, this isn't just some minor software update. It is a completely new job description for AI. And this slide, it shows that change perfectly. Over on the left, you've got the AI we all know, the assistant. You give it a command, it does the thing, and then it just waits for the next one. Pretty simple, right? But now, look to the right, the AI teammate, or what we call an agent. This thing doesn't just wait, it acts for you, managing these complex multi-step projects. The real difference here is it's proactive, not reactive.
So all of this brings us to the official term for our newly promoted AI, Agentic AI. And honestly, the best way to think about it is less like a super fast calculator and way more like an incredibly efficient project manager that you've just hired. Its job isn't to wait for you to build its to-do list. Its job is to understand the project's final goal and then create and check off that to-do list all by itself.
This right here is the core idea boiled down to its essence. It's the difference between asking your assistant, hey, can you help me find some good flights to Paris? And telling your new AI project manager, book me the most efficient and cost-effective trip to Paris for the first week of June. One of them gives you research to help out. The other one just delivers the completed task. It's a game changer.
So what's actually on the job description for this new AI project manager? What kind of skills does it need to have to even qualify for the role? Well, it really all comes down to 4 key characteristics that separate a simple AI tool from a true AI agent. And here they are: autonomy, being goal-oriented, adaptability, and this is a big one, the ability to use tools. These 4 traits are what give Agentic AI its real power. They're what let it go beyond just giving you simple answers and to actually get things done in the real world. So let's break each one down. First up, and you could argue it's the most important, is autonomy. This means the AI can take initiative. Instead of you having to micromanage every single little step, the agent understands the end goal and proactively makes decisions to get there. It just operates independently, solving problems as they come up without waiting around for you to give it the next prompt. Second, it's goal-oriented. And this is its project management superpower. You don't give it a simple instruction, you give it a mission. A mission like, hey, organize a full marketing campaign for our new product. The agent then takes that big goal and breaks it down into all the necessary little tasks: drafting email copy, scheduling social media posts, analyzing demographics, the whole shebang.
Okay, but this is where it gets really interesting. Adaptability. An AI agent isn't just blindly following a static list of instructions. It's actually learning. If a particular strategy doesn't work out, it analyzes why, adjusts its whole approach, and gets smarter for the next try. It's basically improving on the job just like a person on your team would.
And this cycle you see here is exactly what makes these agents so powerful. It takes an action, it gets feedback on the result, good or bad, it learns from that feedback, and then it refines its strategy. It is a continuous loop of improvement that allows it to handle these really complex, dynamic situations where the right answer isn't always obvious right from the get-go.
Okay, so we know an agent can plan and it can learn, but how does it actually do anything, right? How does it execute its plans? Well, the secret is its ability to connect to and use the very same digital world that we all work in every single day.
An agent's real power comes from using tools, just like us. It can be given access to your email to sort, reply, and organize your whole inbox. It could connect to your company's Salesforce to update customer records. It can search the web for real-time information, so it's not just relying on its old training data. The crucial point here is that it's not trapped inside a chat window. It can actually interact with the apps and software it needs to complete its goals. So when you put all of this together, the autonomy, the goal setting, the constant learning, the tool use, it becomes really clear that we are heading toward a fundamentally new kind of partnership with technology. And this new partnership, well, it brings us to a final and very important question about our own future. So let's just think about that for a second. As these AI agents start to take on the complex, multi-step doing of our jobs, our own rules are going to have to shift. There's no way around it. Does it free us up to focus more on strategy, on creativity, on the human connection side of things? This is the central question we'll all be exploring as these new teammates start to join the workforce. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into agentic AI.
Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any specific topic you want me to cover, put it in comment box. See you in next session.